So hi guys, today one of our students from QSpiders got placed as a software engineer to one of the IT company today. So today she is here to share her experience about QSpiders, about telling how she was able to clear the interview and how QSpiders helped her to clear the interview. So over to you.
Hello, my name is Akanksha. I'm from Mangalore. I joined QSpiders in the month of June, and here they taught me manual testing, Java, Selenium and SQL as well. Here I learned about the technical skills that is needed to crack the interview, and also they give me a lot of confidence, and the training, it helped me a lot to boost my confidence as well. In the month of November I got placed here.
So when you joined?
Tomorrow is the joining date, 25th of...
I'm asking about when you joined QSpiders.
I joined QSpiders in the month of June, 5th.
June. Okay, so what made you get placed to that company? How was your effort for it?
We did daily boot camps, daily mock interviews were there. It helped me a lot. It helped me boost my confidence. And Pradeep Sir used to talk about after the class, used to talk about some of the inspirational talks that also helped me a lot. Yeah.
Fine. So, anyways, congratulations. Your success story might be a motivation for new generation students to get a job in IT industry. Hoping so that all the best. Do well. Thank you.